So today we will install Rust on Windows. So what is the Rust software? You have to actually look for software, not for Rust, because this is kind of not a word, right? But Rust is modern system programming language designed for performance, safety, and concurrency. And you see here is it connected to some kind of Linux stuff, and is used maybe also for some kind of mobile applications. So yeah, if you want to see if you want to develop with Rust, you have to download here the Exafort 32, or in my case 64, and yeah, this should be quite straightforward. So we see here, proceed with standard installation. Just press the enter, and yeah, it will give me downloading all of the Rust information. And yeah, in general, there's nothing so much more to it. You can put all of the try out the basic Rust command. So basic Rust command would be probably like for printing something like the version I don't mean, but so you do here build for starting off print something. So it would like this. So if you just create a project, open the source main file, and you see this. So you can use this, but in general, this video is about the installation in general. So is it done? Okay, press key to continue. And yeah, basically now we can see here Rust version. Is it not added to path or Rust C? Okay, sorry. There it is. Okay. So, guys, that has been the Rust installing part, and yeah, I hope it helps. And it's a quite powerful language. Like memory garbage tool is another part of Rust, makes it super performant. And yeah, I've seen a lot of people installing Rust for them and doing some powerful application. So thank you guys for taking a look at this short topic. But yeah, don't get too excited about Rust. It takes a lot of time to get used. So yeah, thank you guys and goodbye.